Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up on Treasure NFT. To begin, understand that Treasure operates on the Arbitrum network. You'll need a compatible cryptocurrency wallet like MetaMask, and it must be funded with Ether for gas fees. Remember to bridge your Ether to the Arbitrum network before you start. This ensures a smooth experience as you navigate the marketplace. Next, let's get your wallet ready. Start by downloading and installing a browser extension wallet, such as MetaMask. You can either create a brand new wallet or securely import one you already have. Make sure to fund your wallet with a small amount of Ether, which will cover your transaction fees. Finally, connect your wallet to the Arbitrum network to ensure full compatibility with Treasure. Now, let's connect to the Treasure marketplace. Begin by navigating to the official Treasure NFT website. Once there, look for and click the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to select your preferred wallet from the available options. Finally, approve the connection request directly within your wallet interface to establish the link. With your wallet connected, you're ready to explore. Take your time browsing the diverse NFT collections and digital assets available. It's crucial to understand both the listing prices and any associated transaction fees before making a decision. Always confirm all the transaction details carefully within your wallet before finalizing any purchase. Enjoy participating in the vibrant and decentralized Treasure ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.